everybody, today's video is being done in collaboration with PandaHall, and they were so kind to send me this kit for bracelet making, and it's got all these different beads in there as well as the string to make stretchy bracelets. So I'm just going to try making a couple of bracelets here. Let's see, so that's the end, and I don't want to make it, yeah, it's stretchy string, so I guess I'm going to give myself a little extra room because I am going to want to tie it off, right? So we'll go about that long for the first one. And let me see. It's got a nice little hook area there to get it right. I'm going to go ahead and tie one of the ends.
Blank canvas bathed in light. Colors clash, chaos collides. In this wild world I confide. This is my fire. This is my fight. Crafting my soul under neon lights. A masterpiece born.
I have my UV resin already, and I just tied a knot here, and I'm gonna just put it on these two to secure that knot in place, and then I'm gonna put it under my lamp. Now I'm just going to have some alcohol ink. I'm just gonna drop those in there.
From mistakes come the perfect storms. Beauty's found where the broken forms. No right way to create the true. Each stroke a story, colors breaking through.
Okay, it has been 2 minutes, which I did both sides. See how, ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. All right, that's pretty. Still a little wet in there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just do this, and we'll put it on the top for another minute. I'm thinking that's gonna be gorgeous. Look at that. Wow, okay, nice.
Begins to grow. Electric sparks ignite the air. I create like no one's there. With love, with heart, with passion, with soul. In the dead of night, I find my role. Every brushstroke, every beat so tight. I love creating art tonight. Shadows dance on the midnight wall. They whisper secrets, they hear my call. Neon colors flow through my veins. I paint my heartbeat through the pain. With love, with heart, with passion, with soul. In the dead of night, I find my role. Every brushstroke, every beat so tight. I love creating art tonight. The clock is silent, we defy its rules. Love's the fire, it fuels my tools. Crimson dreams and sapphire skies. My art comes alive, it never lies. With love, with heart, with passion, with soul. In the dead of night, I find my role. Every brush
This is the blue-green mica. It looks more green than blue, so I'm just going to brush it on here with my little micro brush. I'll put my UV resin on top of that. And I'm going to, let's do this aqua green alcohol ink. Try and make the back a little darker, okay? And again, stir that up real good. Put a little extra UV, okay? And stir that up again. So you got the mica mixed with the alcohol ink, okay? And then I'm going to just put that on there. Look at that, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, okay. Here you go, that's adorable. Okay, so I'm wearing the bracelet I just made. I think it came out really cool. I think it's pretty. So I really like that. I'm gonna try to make one with a little different colors. I have my magnets here, and there we go. Just do that, and there we go. Just a tiny bit. Go right over it. And I'm going to use this glue. The glue is pretty sticky, huh? Okay. So I'm just going to glue all over the back of this. Just get that all over evenly on there. Okay. And then just stick it right in there and let it set. That's beautiful. Here's the pendants that I made, and I think they came out really beautiful. Thank you so much to PandaHall for sending me the products that I used to make these, and I really think they came out beautiful. I'll put some pictures here at the end, and have a great day. Thanks, everyone.